Mastering recommendations, boosting your academic vocabulary. Hello learners. Today, we're going to focus on an essential skill in academic and professional communication, making recommendations. More specifically, we'll explore how to provide reasons and justifications for our recommendations. Remember, when we make a recommendation, it's important to explain why we're making it. That's what makes our recommendations stronger and more persuasive. Let's dive in. In the world of academia and professional fields, we frequently come across situations where we have to make recommendations. These can range from suggesting a course of action, proposing a solution, or advising a particular approach. A recommendation is essentially a piece of advice or a suggestion. When we make a recommendation, it is crucial that we provide a logical explanation to support it. These explanations are called reasons and justifications. So, how do we construct a recommendation with reasons and justifications? The structure usually goes like this. 1. State your recommendation. 2. Provide reasons for your recommendation. 3. Give justifications, usually supported by evidence or expert opinion. For example, I recommend we use renewable energy sources. This is because they are environmentally friendly and do not deplete natural resources. Studies have shown that they can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The structure of your argument is important. Make sure you clearly state your recommendation first before diving into the reasons and justifications. While making recommendations, you might want to use certain phrases to help shape your advice. Here are some phrases you can use. For stating recommendations, I suggest, recommend, believe, propose for giving reasons. This is because, due to, on account of for justifications. Studies indicate expert opinion is. The data suggests these phrases can help you structure your recommendation, provide a reason, and present justifications more effectively. Now let's put our learning into practice. Try forming a recommendation for the following situation. Your company is deciding whether to invest in employee training programs. Remember the structure. Make a recommendation, provide a reason, and then a justification. That brings us to the end of our lesson today. We've covered how to make recommendations, provide reasons and justifications, and learn some useful phrases along the way. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these structures until they become second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful in enhancing your academic vocabulary. Happy learning!